Yo, welcome back to Minutes TV, and we got the treatment theater. Not one of my best maps, but I guess it's okay. And we gonna get out here and run straight this way, jump on this. See my deja vu for later, so I always keep an eye on that to see what's going on. Okay, we got a Bubba. Let's wait here. And my teammate over there getting bothered. My other teammates must be moving around, finding this map pretty big when it comes to gens. Okay, let's take this. Jump on that. She's getting the hook. Okay, we see the hook right there. Nice. He comes here, doesn't he? You know, you can just like feel it, like I got a feeling. It's too eerie right now. Where you at, Bubba? Where are you at? I don't know, we might be good. Yeah, I think we good. We get this whole gen. See my teammate running for her life. I'll help you as soon as I'm finished. Don't worry. Where you going? She said she got to get the hell out of here, huh? Remember, we get this one without no interruptions. And here we go as soon as we get it. Nice hit. And we're going to stay here, because I don't believe you would get me again. No, no, no. Get back. You don't know me like that. Okay, it says pathing is weird. Yeah, he just went around. Nice. That was nice. I think we go down here. Try to get on with the fake spin. He didn't go for it. Oh, the screams is crazy. What are they doing? Yo, these screams is like extra long and loud. Okay, nice. My partner caught him with a stun. She's coming. Reassurance value, nice. Oh, there's no way he sees it right there. No way. And she has to leave. It's okay. She hit me with the reassurance. I'm good. Teammate coming in. Nice. Hey, you want to help me, Mag? Thank you. Thank you. I hope my partner's okay. I can't see where she at right now. Wow. And as soon as we speak, he's gonna just keep going after her. Chase other people, Bubba. Don't be a butt face. Okay, we gotta get over here and get this save. Nice window vault. Is he committing? No, he's not. And we wait here, and he's gone. Jump back on this. 2 teammates down, it's never good. Oh, hey, Bubba. He drops. This is what we want. Then we got a pilot right here, then we got a window on the wall. So yeah, I had a feeling you would do that. Fake spin again, it doesn't work on this guy. Let's wait right here for him. See if he commits. Nope, back to the hook he goes. Damn, I know my teammate getting tunneled. No, that wasn't her. She good. Let's wait. Okay, he was well prepared. Nice, Bubba. What the hell is that? I didn't even think I was falling for something like that. You don't get out of here. He should be going back for the pickup now. I got you, Michaela. Don't worry. Because boons are amazing. Oh, nice ball. Wow. He hit that? He surely doesn't commit, right? No, he breaks the pilot. No, he is committing. I thought he broke the pilot. No, he's breaking it now. Let's do this. Yeah, he's going to go around. He's not going to chase. I would have let him away too far. No, Bubba. Stop your shenanigans. Drop her. He should have wiggled out because he dropped after a while. Nope. They don't give it a wiggle because DVD is crazy. I don't think he know I'm here, right? Oh, he knows I'm here. Gotta go. Let's drop that. Let's get away from this hook. Because you never want to loop by the hook. Let's walk back. Nice. They never expected. Oh, he just went around. He's still on me. He wants me. No, bro. Fake the pilot. Yeah, he's going to go around. Nice mind game. Chainsaw up. You're going to run it as tight as possible. You might want to leave, Bubba. Spin back for the stun. Nice. Oh, we get this save, too. That's a big-time play. No. Yeah. Nice. Just in case he thought he was going to had a little trick up his sleeve. I got you. Don't worry. 2 gens left. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Pardon me. I was kind of nervous there looking around. Gotcha. Okay, we got you, Meg. Everybody's held up. Except for Michaela. Who the hell knows what she is. Hit that like and subscribe too, man. I really appreciate it. Take hard work in these videos to edit them and all that. And I do everything myself, so that'd be great. If you could just hit the like button. It only take 2 seconds. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we get this gym, one more, and we're out of here. She's keeping him busy, We should be able to get this gym too. We should, and we could. up and he breaks off. I knew it because I seen the man coming over that way. We heard that jam. Let's fake the pilot. Nice, double back. Chainsaw up. Let's get out of here. You know you like the mind game, so I'm going to path a little different now. And he dropped it. I think he's going back to the gate. Now we go to this gate and we 99 this. He got my teammate. Damn. She's not deaf hook. It's okay. We're going 99 this and try to go back over there and help out. Oh, shit. He got my other teammate. No, not my SWF. Oh, Bubba. He had to camp the hook, I guess, right? What you gonna do? Get better and try to, like, you know, go for somebody else? But I guess, I don't know. In time, they get better. You know, who's here to judge? I'm not judging. You played well, Roy. You played well. Shout out to my SWF all the time. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time. We run some killers in the fall. Yeah, yeah, yeah.